consider the difficulty. A ship built for straight-line efficiency on the open ocean. This is where the tugboat's true purpose shines. With its powerful engines and agile propulsion systems, but how do these colossal vessels manage to navigate the tight confines of our bustling ports, where space A ship's own rudder and propeller are designed for efficiency at speed in open waters, not for the delicate dance. This is where the innovative Z-Drive tugboat comes in. Unlike conventional propellers, this unparalleled maneuverability allows tugboats to pivot, push, and pull these giants with incredible. Yet, despite the invaluable assistance of tugboats, the challenge of maneuvering these colossal. Imagine this titan attempting to pivot in a space barely larger than itself. The traditional single rudder and propeller offers limited maneuverability in tight spaces. Even with the rudder. Finally, consider braking. The reverse thrust of a traditional propeller is notoriously inefficient. Imagine attempting to navigate this behemoth through a narrow harbor channel or spin it around in a congested turning basin.
Beyond its own limitations, these ships are constantly at the mercy of environmental forces. Crosswinds can When a traditional propeller attempts reverse thrust, it doesn't efficiently pull the ship backward. Instead, it
Compounding this issue, the rudder, designed to steer the ship by direct. This complete lack of precise control for steering, stopping, and maneuvering in tight spaces is why unlike its conventional counterparts that rely on fixed propellers and a rudder, the Z-Drive has a profoundly different approach to propulsion. Crucially, each Z-Drive unit can swivel independently through a full 360 degrees, allowing thrust to be directed in any direction instantaneously. This advanced system doesn't just offer power, it provides an unprecedented level of control and precision in confined spaces. The difference is stark. A fixed propeller and rudder versus fully articulating Z-Drive units that can rotate 360 degrees. Z-Drive unit integrates the propeller, gearbox, and steering mechanism into a single, compact, and highly efficient pod. This power then travels down the shaft to a second bevel gear, which then drive the horizontal propeller shaft, completing the Z shape of its name. This horizontal shaft then culminates in the propeller itself, directly translating the engine's power into thrust for precise maneuverability. What truly sets the Z-Drive apart is its ability to rotate a full 360 degrees around its. This unrestricted rotation means thrust can be directed in any direction, allowing for unparalleled control and the Z-Drive tugboat maneuvers large ships using these propulsion units. The internal mechanism reveals.
Here we see a cutaway view of the powerful Z-Drive unit. Its unique design allows for instantaneous thrust.
Watch as the Z-Drive tugboat demonstrates unparalleled agility, pirouetting effortlessly in its own length.
From a full turn to an immediate sideward crab walk, the Z-Drive can move with incredible lateral precision.
With Z-Drives, full thrust is available in any direction, instantly. Compared to a conventional tugboat's limited maneuverability, the Z-Drive's omnidirectional thrust gives it unmatched. This omnidirectional capability allows it to crab walk directly sideways, a critical. For precision docking, the Z-Drive tugboat acts like an extension of the pilot's hands, allowing for gentle yet firm. And when instant power is needed, the Z-Drive delivers. Full thrust in any direction, instantly. This real-time comparison clearly illustrates the Z-Drive's superior agility and immediate response. This unparalleled rotational control is possible because each Z-Drive unit can articulate independently. Mechanism reveals the powerful main engine, directing power to the azimuth thrusters. This is the heart of the Z-Drive systems. Is the towing winch system, utilizing a powerful hydraulic drive. The Z-Drive propulsion enables the as the tow line secures the vessel, the Z-Drive propulsion provides precise maneuvering capability. The Z-Drive tugboat utilizes its unique propulsion system and reinforced fendering to expertly guide the These hyper-realistic CGI renderings demonstrate the precision required. Note the reinforced hull and as the massive cargo ship from an overhead perspective, we can appreciate the scale of this intricate dance. The tugboat doesn't just push. Observe the sheer physics at play. Even with its immense inertia, the cargo ship's bow begins to... Central to this precision are the Z-drive units themselves. Unlike traditional propellers, with its Z-drives providing omnidirectional power, the tugboat seamlessly guides the... Utilizing its advanced Z-drive propulsion system, the tugboat maneuvers the massive cargo ship. As we can see in this hyper-realistic rendering, the Z-drive system provides 360 degrees.
Utilizing its Z-drive propulsion, the tugboat applies precise force, guiding the colossal cargo ship through the narrow harbor channel.
Observe the raw power of the Z-drive in action. Its propellers displace an astonishing volume of... It's a testament to applied physics. A smaller, powerful tugboat, through sustained and precise thrust, observe the incredible power generated by these rotating azimuthing thrusters. Each propeller. It is this sustained, precise thrust that allows Z-drive tugboats to overcome the immense inertia of these. Beyond sheer power, modern Z-drive tugboats incorporate advanced features designed for both efficiency and paramount safety. Their advanced fendering systems are crucial, designed not just to protect the tugboat, but to absorb significant... With unparalleled agility, these powerful vessels are the unsung heroes. Thousands of tons safely berthed. This seamless operation, repeated countless times daily. The task complete, these nimble workhorses detach, their powerful engines now guiding them.